Micro-influencers are all around us. You can find them in every single niche, and they're not gonna have hundreds of thousands of subscribers on YouTube. They're not gonna have millions of subscribers on Facebook. These people are going to have very small audiences, but they can move the needle in a meaningful way. How do you find them? Where do you go to find them? My favorite place to go is oftentimes the Discover page on these various channels. You go to the Discover page on Instagram and you start to scroll through and you start to look and monitor the engagement rate that these influencers are having on their content in a specific lane, in a specific niche, and you start to analyze, okay, if this person only has 2,000 followers, but they have 1,000 likes, that means that they have a highly engaged audience. You do the same thing on YouTube. You find that somebody has 5,000 subscribers, but every single time they press publish on a video, they have 2,000 comments. That means 50% of their audience is engaged. That's a very high engagement ratio. It's okay to go after people who have a small audience, because what those people come with is oftentimes a deeper relationship with their audience. And if you can find them, if you can build relationships with them, and if you can leverage them to tell your brand story as well, you can unlock an amazing return for your business.